1 week of trading new prop firms, and I've locked in over $120,000 in profit in multiple accounts. I'm going to break it all down right here and also show you how I paid myself $25,000, how I'm using Apex, and all of that fun stuff. I'm going to show you guys the behind the scenes look at the #1 day trader on YouTube. Let's get right into it. All right, so pulling up the Apex trader funding platform right here, or all right, so pulling up the Apex trader dashboard right here, you can see my funded accounts. It says PA and then Apex, the number. Those are the funded accounts. So I have 6 funded accounts right now. I made a total of $11,940. This one's a little bit lower with the trade copier, but you can basically see, let's say, pretty much $11,900. So over $70,000 over the past 3 days of trading in these funded accounts. So I got these funded accounts 3 days ago, basically. So you can see total days traded 3 right there, and my total P&L, the account balance there, $161,938. So the thing is, there obviously is a trailing drawdown when it comes to Apex, but once you get it above the threshold, which is 150,100, that trailing drawdown never continue. It doesn't continue higher. So basically my drawdown at this point, now that I'm up 161,938, is it's 150,100. So my account balance just can't go below 150,100, or I would lose the account at that point. So that is the nice thing, is once you get the account above that minimum, or that drawdown buffer area, whatever you want to call it, you then no longer have that trailing drawdown, right? You no longer have that trailing drawdown. Now, I want to be totally transparent. I did lose some of the funded accounts this week. So yes, I locked in $70,000 in unrealized profit in terms of not actually taking it out and paying myself yet. We have the $70,000, but I did lose a few of the funded accounts this week, kind of messing around, trying to get a little bit too big in individual accounts. But in the majority right now, my big focus is these 6 accounts, trying to grow this and get to a point where I'm getting a payout here with Apex. Now, people are going to comment down below about the 30% consistency rule. I talked to Apex and they told me basically, at the end of the day, the consistency rule is, so it's not so much about how much profit you make. It's more so based on, are you being consistent when it comes to your trading style? You know, if I have one big day where I trade with 100 contracts and I make $10,000, and then the rest of the trading days, I only trade with 1 contract and I make $10, and then I go for a payout, well, they're going to deny that payout because of the consistency rule. The consistency rule is there just to basically stop people from trying to have one big profit day and then waiting for a payout. So with me right now, we've basically had, like, I think a $3,000 day, a $4,000 day, and a $5,000 day. I think what, 2,000, 4,000, 5,000. Yeah, so right around that. So my consistency is pretty consistent. I'm trading consistent size and trading very similar for all of those profit days. So I don't have like one big profit day and then a lot of small profit days. So I need to have 10 consistent trading days. They don't need to be profitable days. They just need to be 10 trading days. And they don't have to be consistent, but they have to be 10 days total. And then I can go and request a payout. So obviously, yes, I made $71,000 here in the $150,000 account, 6 of them. I have not been able to withdraw that, so it's not like in my bank account yet. But yes, I did actually kind of lock it in trading wise. So my goal for the next week is just to continue being consistent, right? Just continuing to be consistent and just look for consistent winners and do that for another 7 days. And well, then I'll get my payout here with Apex. So, hey, if you want to check out Apex, there's a link down below. Also, I'm going to do a giveaway. I got some more Apex accounts to give away. $50,000 Apex account. I'll give away one to one lucky YouTube subscriber that watches this video. Check out the link and then comment down below. What are you going to do here in 2024? Who will you be trading with? Let me know in the comments below, and we'll pick one lucky winner to win a free account. You can see here the payout amounts. So my first payout for you get twice monthly with all right, so you can see how they break. You can see how they break down the payout amounts here. So I have 6 of the $150,000 accounts, and I can withdraw $27.50 per account each time. So I can withdraw twice a month. So if I withdraw basically $27.50 from the 6 accounts, I would then be able to get a $16,000 payout here. So a $16,000 payout twice a month, obviously a little over $33,000 a month just to continuously do this kind of same pattern that I'm going for. The minimum balance to request a withdrawal for each period. So we have that. And I think, like I said, once you get past the 3-month period, you then can withdraw more from then. We'll do a whole video, kind of the breakdown of all that. So it says, then on the 4th month, there is no maximum for each account. So yeah, basically you can get the withdrawals for the first 3 months. And then on the 4th month, there is no maximum for each account there. So obviously I want to make one thing very clear. At the end of the day, yes, this is not, withdrawn profit. I'm still getting to that point. Like with Apex, I need 4 more days or 7 more days actually of consistently trading. I don't need to go crazy. Just need to make a few $100, $1,000. Just do it consistently. 6 accounts, keep it growing, keep it consistent, keep it going, and then I can get to the point where I can take the payouts. So yes, I know I have not taken the actual payouts yet. Until I take the payouts, it's not actually realized, but I did take a $25,000 payout with my Fund of Futures. Check this out.